Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shelly over at Eat to Live Strong Plus More. And today I'm going to do an unboxing, unpackaging from the Plus More side of the channel. And I am going to unbox a package that I received from one of my favorite retailers. And it's Regine Couture. And in the beginning, I'm going to let you know, go down to the description box, grab her link. She's on Facebook, Instagram, and you will not regret it. It's a loving channel. So you would want to go in where we have the experience. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this done to make sure. I'm just gonna open everything up so I can have it and I can just get started and get busy. So let's go ahead and get this one done. I'll just go ahead and there we go. Got it. All right, so let's get started. Regine Couture is a God-loving platform. We get on there, we laugh, we talk, we pray for each other. We have just a great time with the beautiful products. Her services are just marvelous, and that's why we call it the experience. So let's go ahead and get started with all the beauty. Yeah, we got a lot in here. So, all right, let's just start with these beauties here. This blinged out set of earrings, they are gorgeous, blinged everywhere. It is gold on the inside. Now this is custom jewelry. This is not diamonds, but the jewelry, the cold hard stones are really legitimate. Okay, so this is the earrings, and it's got, like I said, gold on the inside. Very light, so they're not heavy, and I just think they're really cute. That might actually go well with this dress. Bling bling. Okay, so that's the earrings. And I don't discuss price on my channel. You have to go to her site and see what she has available. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. You will love it. All right, the next thing that I have, oh yeah, got me some noisemakers. This bracelet here has all the charms on it. It has a heart. Let me see if I can show you the heart. Let's see if I can make this an easy one for you to see. There's a heart charm. Then we have a mirror charm. It has a stone in it, which is very nice. It's like a mirror. Okay. Then we have stilettos. Let's see if I can make that. Yeah, that's cute there. It's got some bling on it. And then there's another heart. No. That's a purse. Look at that. That's a purse. And then we have a ribbon. I think you guys can see the ribbon. This is everything up there. Let's see if you can. I think she called this the Chanel inspired. That's what it is. Chanel inspired bracelet. And it is really cute, and people will hear you coming. Very pretty. It's beautiful. So that's that. And then her nice pieces do come with earrings. So she always, if it doesn't come with earrings, she'll match earrings for you. Just let her know. Also, if you are clip earrings, just let her know, because she do have clip earrings as well. And let me see how I can start this for you. This one here is a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful. And I got on the right dress for, no. I got to give it all its justice. This was one of her pieces too. One of my favorites. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this one on here. Got on the right attire for it too. This is green. And it came with beautiful drop earrings. Those are the earrings, and that's the necklace. So pretty. And the stones are cold. They are really cold. But there's the necklace. All right, let's try and get this off. Okay, got it off. All right, let's get the next piece out. this one here is a beauty also. Voila! Now, this is a very sophisticated piece. All of these pieces are just drop dead gorgeous. And this one here, I call this one cotton candy, but I forgot what she called it. But while we're on the live, I'm always naming the naming it something different than what she called it. So let's go ahead and put this one on. And it did come with earrings as well. I call this one cotton candy. I wore the right color too. Okay, and let me get the earrings. They did come with pretty earrings. These are the earrings. Very, 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 very nice. Okay, so that was another piece. And again, I do not discuss price online. You have to go to her shop or her Facebook, her Instagram. So you can go out there and check out her her information and her products that she has. And yeah, you're gonna enjoy it. I mean, this is just beautiful pieces. Like, and she creates some really, really beautiful pieces. They're called the statement piece. Oh, you guys have to go. You have to go check her out. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. Go ahead and get the earrings out. Now this one, let me tell you about this one. So I was on the live. I came in late one night to the live. I always try to get in there in the beginning so I can grab some stuff. Get in there and somebody outbidded me. Can you believe somebody outbidded me? Somebody was quicker at somebody was quicker than I was at saying that they wanted it. And so another night came up, and a couple of nights later, she had another piece just like it. And I was like, oh no, it's mine. I got it. So here it is. Voila! You know your girl is all about the pink and green. So there is this piece, and it is absolutely gorgeous. All right. And I got an event coming up too. Woohoo! So let me go ahead and show you the earrings. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ah! She's got another one that I got to grab before somebody else get it, because they keep getting the yellow one too. It's the yellow one that's just beautiful. So this is another piece. I'm telling you guys, it's like a kid in a candy store when you see this stuff. You're like, oh, I got something to wear with that. And if I don't, I'm going to go buy something. I'm trying to get this off now. So here we go. Okay, so that's another piece. And let me go ahead and show you something too about her pieces. She generally, when she has these pieces done or made, or when she makes them, they all come with an extension here. So you can adjust it to if you want it to be like a choke. Oh, let me try that. That might be a good idea too. Let me try that and see. I'm not gonna put it all the way on because I don't have anybody here to help me get it off. But if you wanted to do it as a choker, you can do this as a choker. That is just amazing. So you can do it as a choker, or you can put the extension on and you can drop it, and drop it. So she makes her pieces with extensions, which is actually a marvelous idea. See how I just turned that into a choker? Okay, and here is my next one here. Let's go ahead and get this one out. Now, I tell you, we have the experience, and we have a lot of fun on the channel. And how I said I'm normally pretty quick with saying, you know, getting what I want on the channel. Well, I'm normally pretty quick at getting my product that I want, or sometimes she has giveaways, and I want a giveaway this particular night. And yes, this is what I want. What? Look at that. Let me go ahead and put that one on. Oh, this looks good with this too. And it has the extension again. Okay, and let me show you the earrings. And these are the earrings that came with it. And it matches this stone here, but these are the earrings. Yes. I won this on the experience, and I love it. Thank you. I love it. Okay, so that was that package. And then I'll have to tell you, she sells not only the experience of jewelry. Well, let me put that in another order. Not only does she sell the experience of togetherness, love, prayer, friendship, everything is beautiful about this. It's a husband-wife couple. They're beautiful people. Love them. Long time. But they also she sells lip liners, shea butter, oils, and I think lipstick, and it's another thing. So it's like a one-stop shopping, honey. Get your things. So, but anyway, I'm on the live one night, and I was trying to get to a certain amount, and I was talking about the shea butter. Now, the shea butter that I have, that I use of theirs, it's marvelous. It did a body good, because with me, I have really, really dry skin, and my hands are always in water because of the profession that I was in, nursing. You know, you're always washing and scrubbing and stuff. So I have dry skin. So I tried the shea butter and it worked. So let me show you the first one that I did was, and this one by far, I love it, love it, love it. I love the smell. It's vanilla coconut. Vanilla coconut. And it smells amazing. It moisturizes the skin. And it's called shea souffle. So it's not called shea butter. It is shea butter in it, but it's called shea souffle. And it smells amazing. Smells amazing. And let me see here. Let me put some of this cream on, this whip, this shea whip. You see how my hands change from like chalky, and it works wonders. Okay, so this was the first one that I got, and like again, this one is called Whip and Creamy, and it's shea whip and creamy. Let me say this right. It's absolutely fabulous. Yes, absolutely fabulous. And it is shea souffle, whip and creamy, and this one is vanilla coconut. Absolutely fabulous. Yes, love it. This one is good. So, trying to get to a certain amount. Hey, you like that shea souffle? I got 2 new flavors. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So I told him I was gonna try it, and I'm gonna let you know my opinion on this, because you know, once you get hooked on one, it's hard to get another one. So the next one that I got was the same brand, absolutely fabulous shea souffle, whip and creamy. Now all of these are the same name, but different scents. This one here is, and it's 100% natural shea butter. Okay, this one is called grape scented. And I say grape scented, I don't know about that. So I said, okay, go ahead and send it to me. So I bought it, and here it is. And it's the first time I'm trying it. So I hope you are watching this video. And smells like grapes. You know what it smells like? Is it grape Kool-Aid? Grape Kool-Aid. I smell grape Kool-Aid. I smell grape Now and Laters. And grape Jolly Ranchers. It smells good, guys. It smells good. It's whipping creamy. Now I'm not gonna put it on because I've just put the vanilla. What's the one I like? The vanilla coconut. So this smells like grape, and it smells good. And I already know it works, so I don't need to try it on. Oh, that smells good. I do like that. You did. You would win. Then he told me about another one. He said, no, get this one too. You're gonna really love this one. Like, all right, give it to me. So I get it. And I'm getting ready to smell it now. This one is called Strawberry Mango. Interesting. I should have had some coffee up here, some coffee grounds, so I can get rid of the smell, you know? That's how you clear your senses. But anyway, this one is called Strawberry Mango. Let's get it going. Let's see. See how whippy and creamy that is? Oh my God. Daggone it, it do smell like strawberry mango. I love you long time for this. Oh, this smells amazing. So, you know, I gotta hide it because I don't want my family here bothering my stuff. They need to get their own. Tell them to come to Regine Couture to get their own. This is mine. These all smell good. They are really actually, you know what? I really like it. I really do. So thank you for the suggestion. I really like it. So guys, that takes care of this video. Please be sure to go into the description box, find her link, go check her out. She goes live. They even do, they have prayer, they have services online on Facebook. Check them out. They are a wonderful family. I really do appreciate them. All they ever do for me. They always calling, checking on me. They're texting me, they're emailing me, checking on me, praying for me. She actually joined my private Facebook group, and love her. Been knowing her a very, very long time, but like I said, this is a wonderful family. So please, if you want to get your jewelry and get the experience, check them out. Their link is in the description box. You will not regret it. I promise you that. Love them long time. So anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they are uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now.